So ClickUp Calendar View combines everything related to time in one convenient view. You can plan, schedule, and manage resources all in one tab. So just like other views, you can decide how much of the hierarchy you want to expose each time. You can pick an individual list, or you can pick the entire folder, or you can pick the workspace, or if you want the overall view of the entire projects that you have, you can click everything to get a whole view of everything. On this tab here, you can pick how much time do you want to have a view each time. So you can pick days or weeks or month, blocks of time that you want to schedule your tasks in. Sometimes it can get really overwhelming to know what exactly are your tasks only. So there's a simple toggle switch here to show only the tasks assigned to you. Right now, it's only displaying the tasks that you are supposed to complete. If you switch back to everyone, you see the entire organizational view. Here is the tasks tray. It has all the unscheduled tasks. You can simply drag and drop any task that you want to schedule here, or you can even take a scheduled task and drop it back to the task tray. If you have set custom colors for the tasks or a particular date, they show up here. Tasks that are overdue can be reassigned or rearranged right here. Let me show you one more cool trick. You can even create a task right inside the calendar. Let me create it for you. It's feed the dog, and then assign. I'm going to assign myself the task and save it. Just like that, you've created a new task. You can even drag it around, schedule it for a different day, increase the length, or even change the status of the task all inside of this. There are multiple ways that you can filter the task you're getting viewed. You can add a filter by tags, the due date, or the priority. You can even filter tags by the assignee too. So here's the high priority task list. You go ahead and say urgent. There you go. So the only urgent task that we have is deploying a new CRM. You can even further customize the way tasks are showed. In calendar view settings at the top right corner, you can go ahead and show weeks by numbers or show recurring tasks too. Here's a cool feature called Always Stay on this date. Let's say you're planning a conference and you pick this. Once you turn that on, each time you bring in the calendar view, it's going to pinpoint to that exact date that you've frozen. That's a neat feature when you have to plan everything around one date. Here's some settings for the task card. You can show all tasks by assignee. Right now, on each task, you can view the assignee now. You can show by priority. You can show it by time estimates, time tracked, the location, and even the subtasks can be displayed right here. The tags also. You can layer filters, one on top of each other, however you'd like to view. So let's say I want to view tasks by priority, and the priority is urgent, and then I want another filter that there are assignee, and the assignee is me. Lucky me, I don't seem to have any high priority tasks assigned this month. You can now save this view right here. So this layout gets saved. You can choose to save the layout for just yourself, or you can make a duplicate view which is personal and only you see it and not everyone else. So that way you can save different ways that you want the tasks to be displayed. You can color code the tasks if you want, or even do bulk task management. Let me show you how that works. So now I click on everything, and now I'm going to hold down Control if you're using a Windows machine, or Command if it's a Mac machine. So I'm clicking on multiple tasks at a time. So if you watch the top ribbon here, you can set watchers for the task or add assignees, set status, or you can convert all of them to subtasks, delete them or archive them, all at once. You can now save this view just for yourself too. The entire calendar can be shared for public viewing, and then you'll get a link. You can also sync the entire calendar with your Google Calendar, iCal, Apple, whatever system that you have, and you should be able to find that here. There you are. Just click Sync with Calendar, and you should be able to connect your Google Calendar, Outlook, whatever system that you're using. Thanks for watching. That was Clickup Calendar.